Have you guys ever heard of Chef Boyardee? This man right here, this guy, this little, I don't know if you can see that very well. This chef right here, he is responsible for childhoods all across the globe with his delicious Italian cuisines. Now, if you ask me, if Chef Boyardee wasn't around, we would have lost World War II, because if you didn't know, little fact, little history lesson for all of you little pussies. Chef Boyardee gave his famous spaghetti with meat sauce as food rations in World War II. So if that didn't happen, things would be a lot different right now. He was also a straight up Italian, so I mean that's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, if you're Italian, of course that obviously means you're good at cooking by default. No, it's not racist for me to say that. Stop!
So you're telling me that I can eat canned spaghetti and meatballs? How do you cook this fine cuisine? Why is there a hand in my mouth?
Wow, I'm so glad you asked, the real Ethan Foxtail. You see, you can eat this microwaved. You could, boil it in the pan and serve it like that. Or you can be like me and eat it straight out of the fucking can. Because why wouldn't I? I mean, I've been eating these babies out of the can since I was, ow.
That sounds gross. I don't know if I want to eat that like that.
Well, that's quite unfortunate, because we're doing it now. We're doing it now.
There we go. Oh, some ravioli, spaghetti meatball. No, there's no spaghetti meatball. What I like to do is I like to just take the fork and I pry it open. Oh yeah. Come on, man. Oh. Then you pull it back and wait. I can't do this with one hand, god damn it. You see, this is why you should never do it with just one hand, because that happens. This is what it's come to. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Good. Come on now. Come on, get up. Come on, just get. There we go. See, this is why you should never do this shit one-handed, because then you get what we just witnessed.
So this is it, huh? This is it? How do you use one of these things? I mean, it smells okay, I guess. Well, bottoms up. That's good. Oh my gosh. That's good eats. Boy, that. I need more. Yeah, I give this right here. I give this that's an easy 10 out of 10 in my book, of course. Oh, come here. Yep, that was good eats. Let me know what you want me to review next time, guys. Yeah. Chef Boyardee.